Hey y'all, it's Day, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do a scalp scrub. I'm using the Sephora apple cider vinegar scalp scrub. It does say it's a shampooing exfoliant, but the way I do my routine, I'm going to actually shampoo my hair afterwards just to make sure that my hair is like clean and make sure I rinse all of the actual scrub out because there are like actual particles on there. Again, this is apple cider vinegar and it also has sea salt in it. It's 90% ingredients from a natural origin. And it says that if you do this once a week, it's good for your hair, but I don't do this once a week. I feel like that would be a little much on my scalp because you know our scalp like oils. We don't want to just be stripping them all out. But I just took down my locks, so my scalp was abnormally flaky this time, so I just want to go ahead and do a nice scrub and reset before I start wearing my hair loose again. So first thing I'm going to do is put my hair into 4 sections. And those are just like my base sections to work out of. I've already gone through, I can't remember if I said this or not, but I've already gone through and like did a pre-shampoo and detangling of my hair. Of course, because I just took those locks out. I want to make sure my hair is completely detangled because if I start messing with it, I might end up with real locks. So I'm going ahead and put my hair in those 4 sections. Then I'm going to go work in small sections within those 4 sections. So splitting that in about, it's probably like a third or a fourth of that section just to make sure I can get to my scalp well. And I'm going to take some of the scrub, not even a lot, just a little bit of the scrub and just scrub my scalp. And that's why it was important to go through and make sure that my scalp was already, or my hair was already detangled all the way from the roots, because y'all know how bushy these roots can get. And y'all can see I'm gonna keep running my fingers through just to make sure my hair does not get all tangled back up again. And you can see also like the particles, those white things. It's one on my shirt, 2 on my shirt, 3 on my shirt. Those are also part of the product. So I've never used this in the actual shower or in like soaking. My hair is wet because I just detangled it, but like on soaking wet hair. So I'm not sure if this even lathers, and I don't really care to find out. Honestly, this is the way I like to use it and it works for me. And I'm gonna do this all over my head. So when you're doing this, I like to go over the top, and you guys kind of see I'm just doing it in like circular and up and down motions, and I'm holding my hair tight. Trying to prevent it from getting tangled at the root. I'm gonna go under and do the same thing. And yeah, just make sure I keep running my fingers through my hair to try to prevent it from tangling up, because this could easily get tangled because there's a lot of commotion at the root. And it is pretty messy because it is actual sea salt in this. So I'm gonna have to end up vacuuming in here after I'm done. But it already feels good. Like, it feels like I'm going through and getting a good salon style scratch going on my scalp. As far as like the benefits, who could benefit from this? Anybody can pretty much benefit, because at some point we all need to go through and get our scalp together. I think this is good for especially dandruff and dry scalp, because it'll go through and get that debris up, that buildup up, remove it, and then you have a clean slate to go and redeposit moisture on there. A lot of times people with dry scalp want to keep caking oil on their scalp, and it may feel good temporarily, but it's not a long-term solution to the problem, because they're ending up blocking out moisture, because oils, most oils, really arguably some people will say oils are not moisturizing. They're sealants. Water is moisture. If you put a bunch of oil on your scalp and you're wetting it and you're washing it, that water is essentially just rolling off of your hair because of all the oil you just put on your hair. So this is a good way to go through and just get it up. Another good way, if you don't want to do a scrub, maybe you have really sensitive skin and you just don't want to do it, is to do a clay rinse. And if you can find a clay that has things like tea tree in it or charcoal or something in it, that's really good for the scalp, you'll kind of get the same effect. But y'all see I keep going. This really feels really good. And I'm using just the pads of my finger. I'm not scratching and adding the scrub. It's pads of my finger and the scrub, just letting it do what it do. And it feels really, really good. Like, my head was real itchy, especially in the front. this time around with my locks. Once I pretty much get it all in, I go through at this point and just kind of do a full-blown scalp massage. And again, y'all, this feels so good. It's just like, I don't know, it feel like the same effect as going to the salon getting your head scratched, but it's like a lighter version of that. All right, so I am gonna go through, y'all saw it was real quick massage. Gonna go through now and shampoo my hair with the BRIOGEO Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliant Shampoo. Y'all can see this is just a scalp day for me because I just took those locks out. Not sure what I'm gonna follow it up with. This shampoo, I do have a conditioner to go with it, but I've never used it before. So I'm debating on trying something new or just going to something that I know is gonna give me a bunch of moisture, which is my MIELLE Organics Soft Mint Deep Conditioner. I forget the name of it, but the original deep conditioner from there. Because I also know that that has mint in it and it's gonna make my scalp feel really, really good. So we'll see after I get the rinsing and washing and whatnot. I'm gonna follow up with y'all and let y'all know. All right, y'all, so I am all shampooed and got all of that out of my head. Scalp looks nice and shiny. You can see the light bouncing off my scalp. So I'm gonna go through now and get to deep conditioner. I'm gonna put my hair back in 4 sections, and yeah. So I ended up deciding to use the BRIOGEO, the Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. I decided to go ahead with that because I want to make sure my hair was really moisturized more than anything at this point, because I just took that protective style out, did a scalp scrub, and yeah, just want to make sure I put moisture back in there. I am making sure some of this hit my scalp as well, and just going through and detangling. And this is a good mask, like y'all can see it detangles pretty well. At this point my roots are a little tangled, but this mask is doing the trick. It's instantly softened my hair. My hair feels really silky and good. I'm having a really good wash day today. I'm very pleased with everything that went down. So yeah, follow up with y'all once I get my hair all detangled and deep conditioned. Alright, so I got my deep conditioner in. Let's see if it says how long to keep it in. It does not say how long to keep it in, but I'm gonna keep it in. I'm gonna sit under the dryer and keep it in for about 15 minutes before I rinse, just to make sure my scalp gets a little bit of this loving from it and my hair can get nice and moisturized before I rinse it all out. And I keep saying I'm gonna follow up. I feel like I said it like 10 times in this video, but I'm gonna follow up with y'all in about 15-20 minutes. Alright, I am all rinsed out, and yeah, hair looking real juicy and shiny. This is no product. About to go through now and apply some leave-in conditioner, and I have my Kerastase. I did a video on this actually. I have my Kerastase Nutritive Leave-In Heat Protectant Cream. It's like a leave-in conditioner and cream, but I like to add a little bit of something more moisturizing before, because I'm about to blow dry my hair like I mentioned to y'all. I don't know why I keep breaking the dang on. I keep breaking these on these, and I don't know why, how, and I don't know why. But I'm about to go ahead and apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner anyway, and then I'll go through and apply the cream, the heat protecting cream, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair before I go get my mini twist put in. Oh, and that was the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner by Trelux. That is one of my go-to leave-in conditioners. I absolutely love, love, love that leave-in conditioner, and my hair loves it too. It's one of my favorites. Like, it's almost gone, and I can't wait to finish this bottle and get another one, because I'm tired of having to pop it out like that. And I'm just going through lightly applying it because I'm about to apply that cream and I don't want to apply a bunch of product before I go blow dry my hair because it'll take a longer time to blow dry and it makes it more susceptible to heat damage. You're just supposed to apply a light amount of product before you put heat on it. And like I said, I'm about to apply some of that cream. Shoot, this almost look wash and go ready, don't it, y'all? We ain't did a wash and go in a while. I think that's gonna be the first style I do after this little protective style kit that I'm on. Cause I just ain't feel like been doing my hair. And like I said in my last video, I wanna see too what my hair would look like. Kind of get an idea of what it would look like locked. One thing I do wanna add too, in case I forget to show it on camera, definitely gonna be applying some oil to my scalp because I did that scalp scrub and I can just feel like my scalp is like wide open. So I'm going to be applying either a scalp serum or an oil. I'm debating if I want to use the MIELLE Organics Rosemary Mint oil or if I want to use Curlsmith has like an actual growth serum. Debating on which one I want to do, but definitely gonna do that. I'm not gonna show me blow dry my hair on camera. If you guys want to see my review on my Dyson, love that thing. My review is up on that. It's relatively recent. I think I did that video within the past month. So go ahead and check that out. And about to say it again, I'm gonna follow up with y'all after I do my blowout. All blow dried. That took no time. And I decided on using the MIELLE Organic Rosemary because I like that scalp feeling. The other ones I was considering was the Curlsmith. I like the scalp feeling. Just be saying anything on here. I like the tingly feeling. But the other ones I was trying to decide between were the Curlsmith. They have like a full density elixir and then like a scalp booster. I like those more so when I'm doing like my curly hairstyles because they have a like serum wet formula. Whereas this oil obviously has like an oil formula, so I don't have to worry about like my roots reverting. That's why I didn't go ahead and use it. I was really worried about my roots reverting back up. Oh, and the reason why I decided to do my mini twists on stretch hairs, because last time I did them on that wet hair when I was telling y'all about, I had that little fiasco. They shrunk real bad, and I've seen a couple people do them on I seen them do it on stretched hair, so just gonna see what it looked like on stretch hair. Just experimenting. I got time. Woo, my scalp feels so good. Y'all know like that feeling when your scalp just been real dirty and then you get it all nice and clean and it just feel like it can breathe. That's what it feel like. It's just like my scalp just got some lungs and it's breathing. I also like to take a little bit on my fingers and just make sure I get my whole scalp. This is one of my favorite scalp oils. This and the Main Choice's growth oil is still an OG staple. I just wish the Main Choice one had that like minty feeling. All right, so you guys, this is it. This is the end of the video. I might, if my twist real cute, I might be feeling myself and come on and do a little final cameo on what the twist turned out to be. If not, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my actual hair too. If not, you know what's up if I don't come back. But all right, y'all, it's been real, and I will see y'all in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you dip up out of here. And yeah, bye.